Hi guys, I'm here at the parking lot of Tim Hortons. As usual, I'm waiting for my kids. Tagal nila. Order sila sa Teams. So I'm up to work. And craving mga anak ko. We just came to the groceries. We buy some lots at Walmart. So, sa Walmart ko na lang binili mga school supplies nila and plus some clothes na magaganda naman na naka-sale ngayon for $3 and $5 only. The some original price of $29, $20 plus. Now it's on sale $5 and $3 only, especially on kids. There you go guys, Teams. Let's wait for them. Wala pa rin sila. Maybe it's busy inside. Bakit ang daming mga pana? Maybe is that there? Dumami mga ganyan lahi dito sa lugar namin. Before, mga puti lang at Pilipino makikita mo dito. Now, nagsipagdami yung mga ganyan. And then, there's a drive-thru over there, so I prepared to let them go walk in front counter. So guys, let's wait for them. They're still inside. Are here. Yan yung mga dalawang pabebe kong anak. Look at them. They're grown up. My bunso and this is my eldest. Look. Close the door properly, Anna. Close the door properly. Okay. Did you grab me a straw, honey? Oh, what? Okay. Here, what is that? I'm asking for brown sugar vanilla ice latte coated with marshmallow. But they said they don't have it here. Oh my goodness. Because that is a